Now let us learn the next effect, that is resonance effect. This is also an electron displacement effect in covalent bond. So we have discussed the first electron displacement effect, that is inductive effect. This is the second effect, that is called a resonance effect. This is also an electron displacement effect in a covalent bond. Let us define resonance effect. So what is the definition of resonance effect? So resonance effect is defined as the polarity produced in the molecule by the interaction of two pi bonds or between a pi bond and a lone pair of electrons present on an adjacent atom. So actually due to this effect there is a polarity produced. Polarity means charge will be produced in the molecule by the interaction of two pi bonds. There may be two pi bond interaction. So pi electrons are there. So pi bond electrons are there. So those interactions may be there, or there is interaction between pi bond and a lone pair of electrons. So in the molecule there is electrons, interaction of pi electrons or interaction of pi electrons and a lone pair of electrons. So these are the possibility in this case. So due to resonance effect, the polarity will be produced in the molecule. So we can draw some resonance structures in this case also. So there are two types of resonance effect. So two types are there. One is called a plus R effect and the other one is called a minus R effect. So positive resonance effect and negative resonance effect. So there are two types of resonance effect. So let us consider the first one, plus R effect. That is positive resonance effect. For this we will take an example as aniline. So aniline is an example which shows positive resonance effect. So we can draw aniline first. So in the case of aniline, an NH2 group is attached to benzene ring and we know that one lone pair is there on nitrogen atom. So here this lone pair and this pi bond, or this pi electrons and this lone pair are in conjugation, or there is interaction between lone pair and lone pair of electrons and pi bond. So here there is lone pair of electrons and pi electrons. So there is an interaction. So the resonance structure can be drawn by shifting of these lone pairs at this position, and these electrons will be shifted to this position, or this bond pair is shifted to here and forming a lone pair. So the first structure can be drawn like this. So in this case there is a double bond, that means the pair of electrons are shifted towards here and there is NH2 and it is losing, or it is electrons are shifted from nitrogen. So this will get a positive charge, and this bond pair changes to lone pair. So we can draw the lone pairs and a negative charge also, since there is a pair of electrons and the other bonds are the same. So this is the first structure and this is the second structure. Then the next structure is, we will draw this double-headed arrow in between resonating structures. So the third structure is, so this lone pair become a bond pair. So this lone pair become bond pair and this bond pair become a lone pair. So here there is a bond and here there is a lone pair and the other bond is the same. So this part is also the same. So this is the third structure. Now this lone pair become a bond pair and this bond pair become a lone pair. Then we will get the next structure. So this bond is the same, and this lone pair becomes a bond pair, and this become a lone pair. Then this part is the same. This is the fourth structure. Then this lone pair becomes a bond pair, and this bond is, or this pair of electrons are coming back, and that nitrogen get back the lone pair. So here this is the same, these two bonds are the same. Here there is a bond, and here it is a single bond, since one pair is shifted towards nitrogen and nitrogen gets the lone pair. So this is the fifth structure. So we can draw 5 resonating structures for aniline. Here we can see it is a plus R effect, or it is a positive resonance effect. Why it is called a positive resonance effect? So this is a plus R effect. Why it is called a plus R effect? Because the migration of electrons, from the group to the system. So actually this NH2 group, the electrons are migrating from the group to the system. So the migration of electrons from the group to the system. That is why it is called a plus R effect. And also we can see there is a positive charge on the group, since electrons are migrating from the group to the system. That is why it is called a plus R effect, or a positive resonance effect. And in this case we can see there is a negative charge at certain positions. Here there is a negative charge, here there is a negative charge, and here also we can see a negative charge. So that negative charge indicates that positions are having higher electron density compared to other positions. So due to resonance we can say there are some positions. So actually they are ortho-para positions. So in the case of aniline, we can see this position is having a negative charge, this position and this position. So in these resonating structures we can see these positions are actually having a negative charge. That means these positions are having higher electron density than the other positions. So this is another effect of plus R effect. Now let us see what is minus R effect, or negative resonance effect. Minus R effect, or negative resonance effect. So in this case we can take one example. It is benzoic acid. So benzoic acid can be taken to explain minus R effect. So benzoic acid can be drawn like this, C double bond O, OH. So in this case this oxygen is electronegative and this bond pair is shifted towards oxygen, and there is deficiency of electrons here. So these pi electrons are shifted towards here. So the first structure will be, here there is a double bond. So electrons are shifted from here to here, there is a double bond, and here there is a single bond and oxygen. Since electrons are shifted towards here, and oxygen acquires a negative charge, and OH is the same. Now this bond is shifted towards here, and this carbon gets a positive charge. So the electron pairs are shifted from here. So this position is having a positive charge and other bonds are the same. So this is the first structure and this is the second structure. Then the next structure will be this bond is shifted towards here. That means here there is deficiency of electrons. So electrons are shifted from here to here. Then we will get the next structure. Here there is a bond. So it is shifted from here. So this carbon gets a positive charge and the other bonds are the same. This is the third structure. Then here there is a deficiency. So these electrons are shifted towards here. And this bond is the same. Here there is a bond and there is deficiency of electrons. So there is a positive charge and other bonds are the same. So this is the fourth structure. Now here there is a deficiency of electrons. So this bond pair is shifted towards here and carbon again having a deficiency. So these electrons are coming back. So the last structure will be, these two bonds are the same. Here there is a bond. Here there is a single bond. Carbon. Then it is a double bond again. And OH. So this is the fifth structure. So there are 5 resonating structures can be drawn for benzoic acid. Here this is showing a minus R effect or negative resonance effect, since the migration of electrons from the system to the group, from system to the group. So electrons are migrated from the ring to the group. So it is having, or it shows, negative resonance effect, and this system is getting a positive charge and the group is getting a negative charge. So here the group is getting a negative charge, so it is minus R effect. And also we can see there are some positions in the resonating structure, some positions are having a positive charge. So we can say if it is benzoic acid, so these positions are having positive charge. So if these positions are positive charge, that means there is, that positive charge indicates there is less electron density. So but in the other case we have seen there is high electron density, but in this case since it is positive charge, we can say there is less electron density compared to other positions. So compared to other positions, these positions are less electron denser. So this is about minus R effect. Let us see some other groups showing plus R effect and minus R effect. So these groups, halogen, OH, OR, NH2. NH2 already we have seen. These groups also showing plus R effect. And here CHO, CO, CN, NO2, COH. COH we have seen. These other groups also shows minus R effect. So this is about resonance effect.